What's up, everybody? Today is the 4th of July 2026, and I saw a product recently on the TikTok shop that I thought was pretty interesting, and I decided that I would order one of these little booger bears in and try it out. This is the GrillBot. It's basically like the same thing as a Roomba, you know, a floor cleaning robot, but this thing has brushes on the bottom, so you basically just stick it on your grill, hit the go button supposedly, and it's supposed to clean your grill with these little thick brushes that you see right there. Well, I grill out quite a lot here in Florida, and I'm excited to give this thing a shot. Fixing to do some cheeseburgers, and my grill is absolutely filthy, so we're gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. All right, check it out. I have no experience with this thing whatsoever. I have charged it with the USB-C port right there. Got a button over here that I think is maybe for battery life, and then another button right there. I don't read the instructions to anything because men don't read instructions. So let's see what we got. Okay, so looks like battery life is full. Oh, there it goes. I'm just kind of keeping it from from running off of my grill to see how it does. Okay. This is interesting. You can see the grill is pretty filthy. It's got a lot of trash left on there from the previous time that I grilled. All right, just kind of stopping it with my hand so it doesn't run off. All right, I'm going to close the lid and come back in a while and we'll see how it did. This is funny to me. You can just hear this thing going to town inside there. All right, it's been about 15 minutes and it just started beeping and shut off on its own. Let's see what we got here. This is my very first time seeing the grill after this thing has been running, and honestly, I don't think I regard it as really all of that clean. I did not heat up the grill, which normally I do to clean it with a regular brush, because I didn't want to do anything to damage this plastic thing. Obviously, you can't set a plastic deal here on a super hot grill, but yeah, man, you know, just looking at everything, I'm gonna say that it does not work well. This thing was like $130, so I mean, honestly, it needs to do a whole lot better for 130 bucks. So that is the GrillBot, and I'm gonna give it the thumbs down. Well, that was the GrillBot. Normally the videos that I make on my channel are shop-related kind of videos, out in the shop building the Nova, doing something with, you know, automotive shop equipment that we sell at Redline. Anyways, just wanted to do a quick little video of an interesting thing that I saw. Thought maybe all you guys would be interested in something like that. So click like, subscribe, all of that if you want to make sure that you don't miss the rest of my videos, which are normally out here in the workshop with the Nova and all my man stuff. Y'all take care.